each other. Thinking orange skies, feeling super childish, no Donald Glover. Let's go for my mother.